English via Art, Nature Series number 7, Environment, Environmental, Air, Wind, Water, Ground, Land, Soil. How to practice listening and speaking. Watch the video, listen and read silently. To understand the content, pause the video as often as necessary. Watch the video again, listen and read aloud. Then mute the video, watch and read aloud. Repeat until you pronounce easily, sound natural, and speak confidently. Environment. Rainbow environment number 7, tactile rainbow room. The human destruction of the environment. I'm into shooting in natural environments. Woman and environment. Environmental. Environmental impact. Environmental impact. Air. 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 The air. The evening air. In the air. Airing the air. Air. Air transport vessel to Mr. Q and Mr. Q. Castle in the air. Body of air. The air. Road by an airfield. Gasping for air. Open air concert. On the air and in the air. Air battle number 1. Witches in the air. Fish in the air. Air castles. 2 mourning birches in the open air. Castles in the air. Artists in the open air. Air view of a spring nursery. An open air restaurant, Lahore. Air orient. Water. Water glass. Water. The creation of water. The water girl. Young girl going to the spring. Chimney and water tower. Water. 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 Water geometry. Water towers. Golden water. Water willow. Water dreaming. Water dreaming. Underwater vision. Underwater vision. Underwater. Ground. 2 girls on the ground. Hunting ground. Playground at Mondragone. Apotheosis of groundlessness. Composition on a red ground. Historic ground. Break ground. Playground. Children playing. Playground. Piraeus. The grounds of the asylum. April. Courtly figures in the castle grounds. Bleaching ground. Rocky ground at Montmajour. Land. Land. The creation of land. Festival of the distribution of the land. Partition of the land. Land of snow people. Land of enchantment. Parkland. The nautical land. Wonderland. Wonderland. Melissa and Tanya at Disneyland. Disneyland. Sea Land, HB1. Land Sea, FB3. Birdland. The land baby. Soil. The soil. Man breaking up the soil. Traveler in rich soil. turning the soil, a son of the soil, across the black soil plains,